We already in Haduan Bridge. Are you also vlogger? Shaira, are you hungry? Yes. I know what you say. Wait, check.
Some Chinese go here in like hiking here.
Ага.
And they...
What they sell? Bread, cookies. Yeah. His clothes. This is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Router. Start. And another. 2 times is switch off.
Apple juice, orange juice. Don't have iced tea.
Apple juice. Apple juice is okay. Hi everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, It's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday afternoon and we're going to Aduan in Mabalacat City inside flight.
We already in Haduan Bridge. We can use, of course, motor going over bridge. But Shaira afraid. She said better walk. People live here. Today very good weather. That's why Shaira said to me, let's go to the bridge, Haduan Bridge. We planning before, but sometimes I'm busy or Shaira busy. Yes, we can use also motor inside. Shaira, what kind of families live here? What? Aita? People Aita here live, yes?
My relative is from
Community Aita.
Aita community.
Aita community.
Yeah.
Oh.
I know it's I just Marcos.
I remember we've been also with Georgi and Sergey. Scared?
You go first.
Shaira scared. Are you not scared?
Pagka ilang bilang.
Bali, loko-loko dito. Loko, nag-ano ka?
Ah, ganyan na eh. Trekking. Wala ko, lakad pilar. Wala ko.
Share a picture. Can you ride motorcycle in this bridge? Not scared?
I don't like.
No, but you can? Or you scared?
I'm scared.
Scared. But okay, bicycle. Just simple bicycle.
I don't know.
Maybe you want to try?
No, I don't like.
Don't like? Okay.
No, never.
Same, I never tried, but I think it's not problem. If I am alone in this bridge, not with another motorcycle or some people, because I remember before this bridge, when we walked before with Georgi, they do like this, as like
So, and also the road before, the bridge before, it's like
yes, and many holes here. Now they fix already. Yes, it's good. And before they use ATV. They use ATV inside the what name is river bed?
yeah.
Because I not know in English. River bed.
I don't know also in English.
River bed it's mean place in the river. Please write in comment. I correct or not? River bed. It's I said correct or not? Because you know my English is not good. It's like simple English, but it's enough for me to talk with communication with Philippine people, with Shira's family. Enough. But some of the subscribers or not subscribers say you need to go to the study English language. Guys, if I go to study, I don't have time for my business. I don't have time for money, and you cannot see video because I am busy and I don't have time for study. I study Chinese language in China, and English it's my simple. I study only in the Russia in the school, not in the anywhere, only in the school. That's why my vocabulary is, maybe I correct say, is not the same like many people. A little bit only.
Kahit kaya, ay yung pamilya ko, ng karila talaga.
Ano ito dito?
Diyan ako sanggalang.
Sanggalang. Dati magsama ba ito sanggalang eh?
Tabo, rata rin kamag-anak ko.
Are you also vlogger? I see you have camera.
No.
Because it's magnetic, same.
It's not totally vlogger, this for the memories.
It's same for memories. We're not bloggers.
Not the vloggers for the
Yeah.
memories.
You use bike?
Bike run, trail run,
Oh.
and after that, and we have a preparation for the event. It's coming event.
Together. Right.
Okay, thanks.
What do you think? It's easy to ride here in the bridge or not?
Yes.
Easy? Because Shira said, maybe I can, not afraid.
Yeah.
Okay.
This if you want to go to inside the village, you can walk here.
Yeah, we've been already before having like a small house, but I
Yes.
don't know now open or not.
They have a house there inside the village. There's a lot
Ah,
of people.
Falls here, but I not been there.
They have a falls here. They call it Haduan
falls.
Falls.
Haduan.
Haduan Falls.
Haduan Falls.
This is a Haduan Bridge. The hanging bridge of Haduan.
Okay.
This is the one they call is a small village here. They call it 814.
Aita people
The
live.
people there. The same.
It's same Aita people.
The people.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for information. Good luck. Someday Shira need to go to the Haduan Hills. If you want, we can just prepare. Maybe when already have summertime in the Philippines.
The falls.
But now also good because it's not hot.
But it's so far, you know.
Far is not problem.
You need to walk.
You talked before with Elias in Bataan. He said we can go to the top of mountain in Bataan, but it's 3 hours walk. He said, okay, 3 hours. What problem? Fresh air, good. You see, have houses in the top. I think it's a very good lift there in this place, in the mountain. I want to see in the map. What is this? It's location inside the Clark.
I think what is this?
Huh?
You know, in the top of the mountain there, if you go to CDC Park, it's not so many.
Can we try? Just to ride. Now we have time. Now it's 5 p.m. 5 p.m. we have time to ride.
What work?
To this place.
No, you're not allowed to go.
Okay, I want to see your dog.
You're not scared in water.
House is also.
Come back there. You'll be playing before.
Shaira, are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes. I know what you say. McDonald's.
Yes.
McDonald's where your cousin work manager.
I asked you before because I want iced coffee.
Not problem. We're going to McDonald's now. Shaira said I want it. So need to help to Shaira and she want to ice coffee, chocolate, I know. Ice coffee, chocolate?
Yes, because in home I not drink so long time already. So if I go all outside, I can drink.
Mhm.
But in home, I cannot drink coffee.
Okay. For me, it's enough water. But always morning I eat breakfast. That's why until evening I not hungry. My breakfast is good. But Shaira wake up maybe 1 hour ago because I already explained, she always 6 a.m. help to her family. That's why she very early wake up. And later she sleep. Afternoon she sleep. That's why she wake up and we
But
go.
sometimes I not take my young sister baby in school.
Mhm.
But sometimes I want to sleep more because I have situation right now so that I need to sleep.
Yeah, she a little bit sick before because she, for her it's cold in the morning if she ride electric bike and feel not good before. That's why she not she more sleep in the day.
Kaya tato made here bigyan tayo. Electric gold.
Dito po nga din.
So it's from pure gold.
Also pure gold. Okay. But you live already long time here. Before, maybe 3 years ago, I see don't have this house. It's new.
Daya po kanino dito. Po. Kasi po dati minta kami kay Nia Lighty. Katagal ko na doon.
Okay. Bye.
Bye po.
Wala pa mo, falls na kayo oras. Makabak. Falls.
Atin po. Pero kahit po kain pa po may akapot ng falls yan. Sabi daw po, burida, pero daw pabalo, kapilang.
Inya po Sabado, hiking kayo po siya, bundok lang. Dito po, pay. Chinese.
Chinese.
Wait,
So some Chinese go here in like hiking here
Uh-huh.
and they go to mountain.
Chinese people?
Yes, Chinese people.
Why Chinese? Maybe Korean.
Chinese.
But how no Chinese? Because they look like the same. Chinese and Korean Asian people. It's
Chinese, I know. Because, no, maybe
Stop, ditang wala mo salitang kay, iya pa intindihan.
Chinese.
Pero in Korean, wa intindihan.
She can understand.
you understand Korean and Chinese language?
Chinese, he cannot understand. But Korean, he can.
Okay,
He
okay.
can understand what I
Okay, because here so many Korean and very few Chinese. But before many Chinese, I know. Okay, thank you, thank you. Shaira talk with Aita people because her father also not Aita people and from I forgot name again. Marcus village, from the Marcus village. It's also local people. But mother of Shaira from Bicol province and her grandmother from Spain, from the Spain. That's why and even Shaira's name is Spanish name.
Pumunta na ilog. Pumunta na ang ilog.
pumunta na ng ilog itong patungalak.
What you say, look?
River.
River.
Ayun mo, resist. Yes.
Okay. You see how people live. Good location. In the top. But here don't have any shop like Sari store. Where? This can I see? Sari store. Oh, solar lamp also have. And this also Sari store. What they sell? Bread, cookies, milk, crackers, cola, beer. Yes, it's okay. I remember one guy lived in this house. Shaira, you remember? This one guy lived before give money to him. He lived in this house, but now closed. I don't know what happened with him. Yes, close, even dog. Look like abandoned. Yeah, I remember he lived before here. Don't have now, don't have, all close. Yes, even his dog don't have. I remember this guy, we always give money to him. Yeah. His clothes. This is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi router with solar lamp. No, he not live here already maybe.
He is in JBL right now in San Fernando.
Okay.
His daughter is in hospital.
Okay.
Daughter? Tapong anak ng babae po.
What is this house? This is hotel.
They said it's Dongwang.
What Dongguan?
There, the village there in the top.
Village?
Yes, that one, it's Korean.
Korean village?
Yes.
So many houses. So many.
They said it's gold.
No golf, no houses. I know golf, but houses is like residential. Okay, Shaira, let's go. We drive now right to McDonald's and show to you also way. I use DJI Nano camera. Now I use iPhone for filming with Zoom, but with motorcycle in the helmet I use DJI Nano camera. Really very good camera. I always say to our friends, it's for smallest camera with good quality is number one right now in the market. So who want to ride motor or bicycle, really very good camera, good quality. But daytime only good, nighttime, not nighttime DJI Action 6 is okay. Yeah, very good weather today. So I use this camera always for ride motorcycle, and sometimes if I go somewhere and not need to take my big bag, just only use this small parts of the camera. It's very comfortable for use. Just only one time start and another 2 times I switch off. So let's go, Shaira. So this helmet good for you? Okay, let's go.
Okay po. Ingat ka lang po.
Bye. This is McDonald's. Shaira relatives work in the McDonald's manager work. Shaira, terminal don't have terminal here. And this one not working.
Can you do?
Okay, but don't have people. You choose here?
What you?
I choose here, but pay in the cashier. Okay.
Apple juice, orange juice. No, no, iced tea.
Apple juice. Apple juice is okay. Red. My Zodiac Red. I will ask Shaira. Shaira, what your Zodiac?
Asia.
Huh?
Some Mauritius need some order Happy Meal here before you take that one.
Gcash. 253 pesos.
Tabaw na. Kakalis lang po. Kakalis lang.
What your Zodiac, Shaira?
Ha?
Show you.
It's pig.
Pig. Pig, Shaira see. Pig and red. Okay.
Together.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, why, Shaira, ice please remove, I don't want. Choose without ice, but we always forgot. Because most of the people in the Philippines not always choose with ice. Shaira now change. We're going to home right now. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.